Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious and this is English with Precious, speaking it to perfection. For those who are new here, welcome. Remaining subscribers, hello, hi. So today we're going to be looking at sentence constructions while we are checking out a garden center in Centurion, Gauteng, which is called Plant Ranch. Okay, now let's look at our basic English sentence construction rule. So the rule is subject plus verb plus object. Okay? Now let's look at what a subject, a verb, and an object is in a sentence. Subject is the noun or pronoun that performs the action in a sentence. The verb is the action word in a sentence. An object is the person or thing that receives the action of the verb. Let's look at some examples. Joe went to the store. Joe, subject, went, verb, store, object. I love my parents. I, subject, love, verb, parents, object. And let's get one more. The pizza smells delicious. Pizza, subject, smells, verb, delicious, object. Okay. Now I want us to look at different sentence structures. Remember, we're still sticking to subject, verb, and object. It's just that now we're going to look at different sentence structures. We've got a simple sentence, a compound sentence, complex sentence, and a compound complex sentence. Now, a simple sentence contains only one independent clause, which is subject plus verb with an optional object. So, for example, I'm happy or the dog barked. A compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction like, and, but, or. Okay? So, for example, the cat slept and the dog barked. My mom cooked and my dad went to work. And then a complex sentence contains one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, a clause that cannot stand alone. So, for example, because it was raining, we stayed inside. Or you can say, I didn't go to school today because I was sick. Lastly, we've got compound complex sentence, which contains multiple independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. So, for example, the sun was shining, but we decided to stay indoors because it was too hot. Or, after I got home from work, my friends invited me out and I left my apartment again. Now let's put our brains to the test. I'm going to show you 10 sentences. You will let me know if they are simple, compound, complex, or compound complex sentences. Alrighty, here are your answers. The first sentence is a compound complex sentence. The second one is a compound sentence. The third one is a compound sentence. The fourth one is a simple sentence. The fifth one is a complex sentence. The sixth one is a simple sentence. Seventh is simple sentence. Eighth is compound complex sentence. Ninth is compound sentence, and the last one, which is our number 10, is a complex sentence. And that wraps up our video for today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.